Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to change candle colors in Tradingview so everything on the screen matches exactly. Custom candle colors might seem like a small detail, but they really help improve clarity, reduce eye strain, and make it easier for us to read price action, especially during long charting sessions. Let's get started. First, open any chart in Tradingview. This works for stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. The steps are the same for all markets. At the top of your chart, click the gear icon to open the chart settings. Once the settings window appears, click on the symbol tab at the top. This is where Tradingview lets us change how the candles look. Here, you'll see the candle section. This is where the main options are. Tradingview gives us three main choices for customizing candles: body, borders, and wick. Here's how each one works. For body, this controls the main color of the candle itself. You'll see separate color boxes for bullish candles and bearish candles. Bullish candles mean the price closed higher than it opened. Click the box next to each one and pick the color you prefer. It depends on what you like. We'll stick with the default colors. Most traders use green and red, but using darker or softer tones can make charts easier to read. For borders, these control the outline of each candle. Match the border color to the candle body for a simple look, or pick a different shade if you want the candles to stand out more. Like this for this, but we'll keep the default one. Some traders prefer subtle borders to cut down on visual clutter. It's all personal preference. For wick, this shows the high or high and low of price movement within each candle. You can match the wick to the candle color or use a neutral color. Many traders like slightly dark wicks because they're easy to see but don't overpower the chart. Since we're using dark mode, we'll use brighter colors. Adjust these three settings, body, borders, and wick, until your chart looks clean and balanced. Before closing the window, here's a useful tip. If you use multiple charts or layouts, scroll down and turn on Apply to All Charts. This keeps the candle colors the same everywhere. When you're happy with your choices, click OK. Your chart will update and show the new colors. One last thing. If you switch to a different chart style like hike and ashy or hollow candles, those styles have their own color settings in the same symbol tab, so make sure to customize them too. To recap, open chart settings, go to the symbol tab, adjust body, borders, and wick. Apply to all charts if needed, save, and you're done. A clean chart helps us make clearer decisions, and that's what we want. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.